Alright, this is a video of how we publish a binary to beta. So first thing we do is we go to our Solution Explorer and we modify our code. We'll go to Team Explorer, okay, and we'll see that we'll have something changed, and then we'll always modify our AAEXE version to bump up the assembly version. So as you can see, I added a version history in this file, changed the assembly version to 108, and I have what I changed in the included changes as well. So when I check this into TFS, I'm just going to put in this as the comment to know that it goes with this binary, and I hit check-in. Now once check-in is complete, it'll give me my change set number, which I'm going to need for the next step. So if I open a web browser and go to ringkeymfg.visual studio, under ROE, and then builds, what we're going to do is we're going to click on ROE build and then queue a new build. Source version, this is where this number here comes in. So it was change set 286, so we're going to plug that into our source version in TFS. Once we do that, TFS will kick off a new build, and we build it in TFS for two reasons. One, we have a history of binaries, and two, we know that if there's something that would keep a build from, or keep a code version from building, TFS will detect it. So it's a good add-in step. The only problem is it sometimes takes a moment, so we'll let that go. And there we go. Building. All right. Code, publishing, artifacts, uploading. Okay, so now it's uploading the artifacts. Alright, so the build is completed. Now, eventually, once we get it completed, our unit test will show up here, and it'll show our unit test being run. But right now, we just know that built. So we go into Artifacts, Explore, Rinky Systems, and then we copy this binary. Downloads, show in folder. Show in folder. It's over here. So if we date modified, so we have our Rinky Systems, and it is 6.1.108, which, if you remember, that's what we wanted right here. So let's go back to this guy. We're going to cut him. We're going to go to C, Packages, Beta, Rinky Systems Beta, and paste him in, move and replace. So now, inside our Rinky Systems Beta folder, we have the 6.1.108 binary. so now if we go in here, go to Solution Explorer, and open folder in File Explorer, there's a batch file. Our batch file is called CodeSign. So if you run this, now in order for this to work, our little dongle has to be inside the USB port that contains our token. So we're just going to type in our super secret password. We're going to type it in correctly. And then you'll say, hey, it's successfully assigned a timestamp. Hit enter to return. You can close this. Now if we go back to our binary and Ranky Systems beta, if we look at the properties, we'll have a new field called digital signatures. You can see it was signed by us Friday, December 16th. Blah, blah. Okay, so now that we have the binary ready to go, we run this pub batch file, and it'll package up everything into this Ranky Systems beta.zip. And then we open up our Cloudberry Explorer. And we want to make, we want to make sure we're in the DL3 folder of RWProd, and then from the C packages beta, we take this Ranky Systems beta.zip, move it over to our Azure storage. Yes, we can overwrite it. And once this down here goes away, it means it's completed. 75, 89, blah, blah. All right, so now if we'll open up our admin utilities, go to Manage Beta, bump beta version. Okay. So now we should, if we launch beta, we'll have the update. Yes, it's from 102 to 108. Yay! And that's how you build a binary.